This is a historical moment in crypto. Bitcoin has crossed $100,000 and it's really crazy to see six figures for one Bitcoin. What a story, what a run up. It's really crazy. So we're going to see where it goes from here. People are calling either for $250,000 being, for example, some targets that Kobe mentioned on his profile, 150 maybe as the top of the cycle, some other people mentioned. We're going to see where it goes. Nothing is right now determined. This is definitely a new territory. Bitcoin is in price discovery mode, so we're going to see how high it goes. As you can see on this chart, it basically broke $100,000 this very day. After the run up, it basically was dwindling around $96,000, and then it has this huge run up to 98, and for a moment got this massive candle to 103, basically touching upon $104,000. So it's really crazy to see that. It's of course super ecstatic probably at MicroStrategy with Michael Saylor being right, buying over the time and basically top blasting Bitcoin over the years. His position is massively performing, so that's pretty good. You can see the crazy run up basically from the past months, as you can see, especially after the US elections. There was the de-risking period of 4th of November when it went back to $67,000, and basically since then it went to $100,000, which was well, that was basically close to 50% up from that move. So this is really crazy to see Bitcoin being such a massive asset going 50% up in a span of like 1 month basically, because that was from 4th of November to basically 5th of December right now. 2024, really historic moment. Of course, this is not only the case for Bitcoin. We're probably going to see all-time highs for other altcoins, especially if you see coins like Solana or Ethereum. They were hitting actually the all-time highs just a couple of days ago with Solana 260. Ethereum is still in a period of basically trying to break to the all-time high previously, which was held I think at 4,800, so there's still a place to go, but definitely going slowly there, with touching almost closely to $4,000 right now. We're going to see where it goes. So what's next? We're probably going to see more interesting price action. Expect a lot of volatility coming along the way, especially also for Bitcoin. We're going to see how it behaves, whether it will stay over $100,000 or whether this kind of movement will retrace to, like, say, $98,000, $96,000. We're going to see where it will end in the end. And of course, going forward, 2025 will definitely be exciting. I'm definitely looking forward for that. Definitely for the entire crypto as a space. We're going to see very interesting stuff, very interesting new projects, as well as the major projects like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, also touching probably new all-time highs. Of course, nothing here is financial advice. Crypto is risky. We are at the high, so don't FOMO in right now. Let's wait and see whether it goes ups and downs. It looks very interesting. I'm definitely very ecstatic about the current state of the market, as is probably everyone on Twitter as well. But definitely not trying to add more positions here. I'm looking to for better entries to buy some of the coins. And looking for altcoins that might overperform, because some of the altcoins, especially, well, still, if you look, for example, at Ethereum, I think there is still a lot of leg up, especially that, this is the second massive coin after Bitcoin, basically the largest cryptocurrency, and Bitcoin sitting at over $100,000 and Ethereum being just $4,000 is probably something that people will consider adding more. There's definitely more potential of Bitcoin going from, of Ethereum going from 4,000 to say 6,000, and Bitcoin going from 100,000 to 150. But of course, we never know. We're going to see how it goes. Ethereum and Bitcoin are entirely different things, so nothing is guaranteed here. We're entirely in a very wild territory. So what I'm looking at definitely is Bitcoin, Solana, Ethereum, but there are also a couple of other coins that are betas to Solana and Ethereum. So on Ethereum you have Pepe. that basically also had its highs at around $10 billion market cap. Right now it's at around 9, I think. That's the meme coin on Ethereum, and the main meme coin on Solana is dog with hat, and it's sitting at around $3 billion market cap. And there's also, if Solana and if ETH will start printing, then we might see those moving as well. Those playing as a beta to Solana or Ethereum means that if Solana moves a lot, then WETH probably will move even more, and if Ethereum moves a lot, then Pepe will make even more massive movements. So that's why I'm observing those two meme coins closely and seeing whether I can add more positions there. So having said that, if you're trying to trade, definitely recommend TradingView for charting. As you can see, the link will be down below in the description, and also Hyperliquid if you're trading on chain, the best decentralized exchange right now for having all the massive meme coins, all the BTC, Sol, ETH, Pepe, WETH that I've mentioned, easily tradable on chain. So thank you for watching, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video.